Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the recommended files section for File Explorer in the beta channel of Windows 11 Insider Preview, build 22635.4800. This feature will be available to personal MSAs and local accounts, not just Entra ID accounts. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your browser and download the Vive tool from the github.com website. Then extract the downloaded file to the System32 folder of your PC. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator and execute the following command. After executing the command, you will have to restart your PC, in order to see the changes. You will now be able to see the recommended files section for File Explorer. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video. Subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.